Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear students. Welcome to today's lesson, inshallah. It's a very happy day for me because we will, inshallah, from today onwards, we'll be doing at least a minimum of 2 pages. Sometimes we'll be doing at least 3 or 4 pages sometimes, depending with the lesson that we are going to do. Okay, so it's a very good day and I just feel happy right now, so I hope when I'm enjoying myself I can teach you to the best of my capability, inshallah. Now, we stopped here at lesson 3, talk about it. Okay, this was the last lesson, talk about it, friendly conversation. So inshallah today it will be your task to ask each other the questions inside the group. So maanta inshallah waxaan idinka rabaa waxaad ku qasban tihiin inaad groupka dhexdiisa ku hadashaan, and I'm expecting you to answer all these questions inside the group. All these questions I'm expecting you to answer them inside the group. marka sidaad uga jawaabaysaa codkayga waad soo duubaysaa cala su'aal kastaba waad ka jawaabaysaa. Okay, then dadka su'aalaha waad ku dhex wadin doontaan inshallah. So what I'm expecting you to do is to answer all these questions in a recording using a voice recording note, and then I want you to answer all these questions inshallah. Okay, now let's move on to page 10 marka. So this is going to be page 10 imika. Page 10 وحويا it's about a vocabulary notebook. This is all about vocabularies. We call this thing a web of words. marka web of words وحويا كلمة dhexda lagu qoriya and then inta kale lagu dhex buuxinaya. Okay, now this is what you're supposed to do. You have to complete the web words for clothes and food using the following words from the box. Okay, these are the words in the box. These are the words in the box. waxaa laga rabaa for you to be able to be intelligent, to be smart enough to answer all of them. For example, for clothes waxaad ku buuxinaysaa, for example, xaggan you find all the clothes that you can find here, and then you say, for example, a jacket waxaa ka mid a type of clothes somaha. So waxaad ku buuxinaysaa jackets, and then maxaa kale, I'll give you another one, a sweatshirt. It's a type of cloth. Food saas oo kale waad ku buuxinaysaa. marka these two saasaad ku buuxinaysaa inshallah. Okay, next waxaa now you have to make word webs about colors and TV shows. TV shows. Write a sentence about each word. marka for example imika, you have colors somaha. Colors, for example, waxaad ku qoraysaa, for example, purple. A purple is a color somaha. Now you create a color about purple. I never wear purple, just for example. Ama let's say xaggan green weya somaha. Here is green. waxaad oran kartaa I drive a green car. Simple. I drive a green car. marka sentence baad xagga ku sameynaysaan saas oo kale. marka make sure you complete all the boxes, and then for TV shows as well as colors inshallah. This is what I'm expecting you to do. Now just forget about this one. This is not that important. Okay, this is not that important. This is at the class kan ku jiri lahayn, I am samayn lahayn kan, but this is not that much important. So let's go on to unit 2 inshallah. Unit 2 will be talking about interests, something that we call interests. Okay, so in unit 2 you will learn how to, for example, use different verb forms. We have different types of verbs, the way they're being used, so you learn how to use them inshallah. You will also learn how to use the object pronouns. Object pronouns lagu isticmaalo, you have to know them, and the pronouns everybody, for example, pronouns ka, for example, everybody and nobody, kuwa kaleba. You are going to learn how to use them directly. You are also going to learn how to talk about your hobbies. Hobbies waxawiyaan waxyaabaha jeceshahay. Hobbies, not hops. Hobbies. Okay, waxyaabaha jeceshahay yani inaad samaysid. Okay, not maha mustaqbalka, waxyaabaha caadiga aad jeceshahay inaad samaysid. Okay, next waxawiyaan interests. Interest waxawiyaan what you really like. Okay, things that you really like. And taste in music. For example, I personally don't recommend for anyone to listen to music I'm not telling you not to now listen to music. لكن according to the lessons waxa weeyaan the test in music waxa weeyaan نوعيها حسها جعشاي نوعها حسها جعشاي. I hope my Somali is correct there. If I'm wrong, remember to correct me, my Somali, inshallah. And you are also going to learn how to say no in a friendly way. You are going to learn how to say no in a friendly way. At the same time, you're going to learn how to use really and not really to make statements stronger or softer. waxaad baran doontaan oo kale waxa weeyaan salagu isticmaalo really iyo not really kalmadahan markaad sentenceska ku hadlaysid oo ka dhigi doonto adigu yani in noqotid qof maxaa laha near native speaker waxay ku isticmaalaan inta badan marka sentenceska ku hadlayaan. Okay, so markaan sii wadno waxaan ku sii wadinaa these things here. maxay yihiin? What are they? We call them magazines. waxaa la yiraahdaa magazines. Okay, jaraid oo kale weeyaan laakiin jaraid maaha, waxaa la yiraahdaa magazines. Okay, now look at the magazine covers. Which magazines would you like to buy and why? haddii aad egtid kuwan, which one exactly would you like to buy? Which magazine would you really like to buy? Let me think. For me as a person, me as a teacher, I'd like to buy a magazine related to digital photography. Why? Because I love photography. Maybe I would as well buy travel and budgets because I really love to travel. Okay, and I also love how to budget my money. Okay, I really love to save my money. So what about you, inshallah? Do you like cooking? Do you like cars? Do you like to decorate things? So you'll tell me which magazines would you really like to buy. Sports and health? Depends. Okay, so that's what you're going to tell us, inshallah. So to start the real lesson today, عشركن وحاويا, it's a lesson A, leisure time. So this lesson horta وحاويا وعشر دقيقة. So there's a recording I'm going to play, a voice recording that I'm going to play. So inshallah, I hope you'll be able to listen to the voice recording and then you'll answer the questions. So inshallah. Okay, so if you're ready, we can play the voice recording right now. Yeah, that would be good. So bismillah, listen very carefully, okay, because I will only play it once.
Page 12. 1. Getting started. C. Listen to the complete interview.
Meet our new reporter for The College News. The College News interviewed Brad Hayes, our new
The College News interviewed Brad Hayes بأورانيا. marka Eric Kane maha codkan hayo iyo buugan is yani magacaas ay isku khilaafin. So inshallah waxaad ogaataa Brad Hayes iyo Eric Kane in yani waxaad ku bedeshaan Eric Kane. wax cilad kale kuma jirto meesha inshallah. Okay,
reporter. Brad is a full-time student majoring in journalism. We asked him about his hobbies.
1.
What are your hobbies, Brad?
Well, I enjoy writing. I like to do a bit of creative writing every day. In the evenings, mostly. Someday, I want to write a novel. But for now, it's just a hobby.
2.
What else do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Let's see, what else? Well, I design cards. I'm good at drawing, and I'm really into computer graphics. So I sit and learn new programs, and I play around with them.
3.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yeah, I play the saxophone. And I can play the piano a little, but not very well. I'd like to play in a jazz band or something. And I like to sing, but I really can't sing at all.
4.
Are you good at sports?
Not really. I prefer to watch sports on TV. I like to play pool. Is that a sport? I guess I jog occasionally. but I hate going to the gym and working out.
5.
Are you interested in learning new things?
Yeah, I love to do new stuff all the time. Learn new skills, you know? I'm really excited about writing for the college news.
Okay, my dear students, marka waxaad sameynaysaan codka u dhageysateen si fiican baad u maqasheen. haddii aad doonaysid videogan pause baad ka dhigi kartaa and then dib baad kusoo noqon doontaa insha allah. Okay, xagga dambe intaad ku noqotid ayaad ku baran doontaa insha allah. ayaad marka labaad iyo mar saddexaadna waad dhegeysan kartaa, but waxaa laga rabaa inaad buuxisid intaa insha allah. Tell us su-aasha labaad waa maxay. For example, question number 1 waxaa weeyaan what are your hobbies? somaha waa su-aasha la weydiiyey. marka su-aal labaad iyo su-aal ilaa tashanaad waxaa laga rabaa inaad ku buuxisid su-aalihii la weydiiyey. su-aalahaas waxaad ka helisaa codka laga soo duubay maxaa lahaa inside the lesson of inside the video lesson insha allah. inside the audio ayaad ka helisaa iga raali ahaada. So listen to Eric's answers in the interview above. What are the question number? What are the questions? Number the questions and add them to the interview. su'aalahan la weydiiyey xagee ku jiraan. For example, what are your hobbies was the first question. marka su'aalahaas isku xigaanna xagan sad ku bixinaysaa lambarantooda baad ku bixinaysaa oodna soo diraysaa insha allah. And then we hear this is just something for you to add. Okay, can you complete these sentences with verbs? waxaa laga rabaa verbs inaad ku isticmaashid. We want you to use the verbs here and then tell us which sentences are true for you. Which sentences are true for you? adiga ahaan sentenceyaasha adiga aad jeceshahay, yani adigu ay ka dhab yihiin adiga ahaan, or you can relate to them. Okay, and then so you will just answer these questions here 1 ila 4. So that's it. Tomorrow we'll start from page 13 inshallah. In the next lesson we'll start from page 13 adu alaydmo, and I hope really hope that you've understood the lesson today. وهذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.